If you watch a horror film with Salman Khan, what do you think will be the conversation after the film? If you were a girl and you had to impress Imran Hashmi in 10 seconds, what would you do?
Oh, I'd love it.
He is very charming. I hate to admit it because he just feels really cool about it.
If you wake up in the middle of the night and find a lady ghost in your room, what would you do?
Ooh la la.
I don't have to say that.
Is there anyone on Instagram that you want to unfollow but you can't?
So I have to take the name. Why
Did you look at me and say it?
You don't even follow
Just
me. Why
side
will I
gets
say
there.
that?
I follow you. Of course, I follow
Of course you don't.
I do.
You should do a check.
Okay, so we'll be rapid fire with both of you. We'll start with Imran. Nikita, if you allow.
Yeah, please go ahead. Always him first.
All right. Okay.
Isn't
So
that the
rapid
rule?
fire with Imran.
Imran first?
The ladies first.
No, not at all.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं ऐसा ये सिर्फ ऑर्डर में मेरे पास इमरान हाशिम पहले हैं तो इसलिए just
कोई नहीं।
going with it. Between Nikita and you, who's more likely to get easily scared by the ghost?
That's a no-brainer.
Scared is an understatement. She just screamed in the daylights out downstairs in her room, where there are some apparently ghosts. There's some characters there. Knowing that also, she was just like jumped out of her shoes.
That's a no-brainer. Yeah.
She don't watch horror
All
films.
right. If you watch a horror film with Salman Khan, what do you think will be the conversation after the film?
भाई कैसी थी फिल्म? भाई आप
That's
डरे?
correct.
भाई आप डरे क्या?
Right. That's interesting. Okay. If you wake up in the middle of the night and find a lady ghost in your room, what would you do?
Oh, I'd love it. It's fantastic. I'd be very amused.
Are you going to charm her?
I'm going to charm her. Of course, I'm going to charm her. She's already charmed. That's why she's in my room.
Okay, of course. Even ghosts are.
Yeah.
All right. What makes the book? Am I pronouncing it rightly? The book is.
Yes.
Is
The book, yes.
You are in fact the first few people to pronounce it right.
The book.
Yes, the book.
All right. What makes the book different and special from other Bollywood horror films?
Aesthetics, fantastic jump scare moments, really heightening the horror, and introduction to a new culture of horror through Jewish beliefs of the occult and supernatural.
If you could talk to the spirits, whom would you like to speak to?
If you want to talk to the spirits,
Yeah.
a deceased relative,
Okay. That's interesting. If you could go back in time and give an advice to 10-year-old Imran Hashmi, what would you say to him?
do exactly what you're going to do.
All right. Okay. If you ever make your directorial debut, which actor you'd love to direct?
DiCaprio.
Why do you think Bollywood has a bad record commercially when it comes to horror genre?
No, I think forget about commercially. The record actually commercially is a very good, because when you see the ratio of films made to the box office hits, horrors have a very high box office success. It's just that the number of films made, the frequency is very low.
Okay. All right. If you were a girl and you had to impress Imran Hashmi in 10 seconds, what would you do?
Ooh la la.
You know, I don't have to say that.
You don't get impressed at all?
No, she has to be a good kisser.
So the girl has to come kiss you.
Yeah,
You will get
obviously. But I'm
impressed.
just putting it out there. I'm not saying it. But I'm just saying that, yeah, she has to be a
So the
great
girl has
kisser.
to come kiss you and you'll get impressed.
And surprising me, that's a tall order.
And she has 10 seconds. Okay. All right. If you
10 seconds,
bumped into your very first girlfriend today, what do you think you'll say to her?
Okay, my wife is going to kill me for this. You missed out.
Okay. Which Bollywood celebrity you'd want to say following things to? I've been telling everyone that I'm not doing Tiger 3. Can you also please clarify once? कौन से Bollywood celebrities आप कहना चाहेंगे? I've been telling everyone that I'm not doing Tiger 3. Can you please also clarify?
To Tiger.
Tiger Salman Khan?
Yeah, I'll say to Tiger only.
All right. I hope you enjoyed working with me as much as I did.
I think you're looking at me.
Nikita.
Have you ever had a paranormal experience?
Yes, I've had.
Have you ever signed any film just for the sake of relations?
Relations, yes, I have.
Okay. Do you think film critics should stop giving ratings in their reviews?
Yes, I think they should stop that reductionist approach to bring it down to stars or A plus, A, B minus, whatever it is, because sometimes it's very misleading. The stars give you one story, but the review is something entirely different.
Absolutely.
I think it should only be purely by the review. That just, your film gets reduced to a number of stars, which I think is very, very unfair when you've taken a year to make a film or whatever, how much ever time you've taken. It's a very reductionist approach to bringing it down to a couple of stars. I think
It's like a school grading
it's very
system.
insensitive.
Yeah.
All right. I think that was an excellent rapid fire. I'm sure Nikita will approve of that.
You're not giving the
We'll move
speakers
to-
anymore? You're not giving the speakers anymore?
We should have ideally met, but as and when we do, we'll surely give
Thank
it to
you.
you.
I'll tell you my
Oh,
address.
they give presents?
The
I didn't
Bluetooth
get
speaker,
one the
Bluetooth
last
speaker
time.
they used to give.
I never got one.
Because you must have lost the round, no?
We've done solo interviews with you. That is why. So
Ah, damn.
Ah.
we will surely do it. So rapid fire with Nikita now. If you are stuck in a haunted house for a day, which two actors would you want to be there with you and why?
If I'm stuck in a haunted house.
You don't repeat the question. You've heard
Wait,
the question.
I'm trying to
She's trying to think
understand.
up the answer.
Can you please repeat it? Sorry.
She's trying to think
If
up.
you,
No!
You know,
if you are stuck in a haunted house for a day, which two actors would you want to be there with you and why?
Which two actors would I want with me? Imran, definitely not, because he's going to scare me way more. He does that even when I'm at my peace. He'll just
but
kind of
who will
scare
you
me
not?
a
Who
lot.
will you not? Who will you spend it with?
I think I'll choose maybe like Tiger Shroff and Hrithik Roshan, because they'll keep working out, and I mean I'll do the same, so we'll be able to kill time.
Okay.
Also, like, good to have good-looking people.
So the ghosts, they can have a
Yeah, then you
good
don't
view.
look at the ghosts. You don't look at the ghosts
All right.
then.
If you could talk to the spirit of any one historical figure, who would that be?
Historical, I think somebody from the independence era, because I'm very obsessed with that entire time.
Who's the person?
I don't want to name any specific freedom fighter. That's
Why you
just-
don't want controversies?
I don't want any controversy, so I don't want to name anybody.
The hell?
But
There's
somebody
only
from-
controversy
no,
you name
not at all,
someone.
not at all. I'm not falling into this trap. So somebody from that period, so I can just hear actual stories and not whatever goes around.
Okay, good attempt at self-censorship, which is great. A quality of Imran Hashmi that you admire a lot.
He is very charming. I hate to admit it because he just feels really cool about it. Yes, I can't deny that he is very charming.
Right. He has this image of being this kisser guy and all that. But I've spoken to many of his actresses, and all of them said that they've been very comfortable around him, maybe more comfortable than a lot of other actors.
That's true. I think
That's why
I think it's the experience.
Sorry?
It's the experience.
The experience.
It is.
All right. If not acting, what other things you think would have made you popular?
Popular, maybe serving in the politics, maybe. I don't know. I did plan on giving an IS exam at some point of time in my life.
Politician, huh?
Thought as-
Hmm.
Yeah.
Thought as much.
Which is the scariest Bollywood movie you have ever watched?
She's not watched anything. What are you
No,
asking?
I
her?
have.
You dekhte nahi horror film.
I'm genuinely
Say
very
the book now.
scared
You're
of-
promoting the book now. Don't say anything
Yeah,
else.
okay, fine. I'm going to say the book. Yes, thank you for saving me on this one. The book.
What is the funniest myth you have heard about ghosts or spirits?
Yeah, I'm going to laugh at
Okay,
this
you've
one.
got to hear this because I have heard this and I cracked up. This is her belief about ghosts and what wards off ghosts.
This is
Like
what.
you have a silver bullet for werewolves, you have a cross for
Please listen to
possession.
this one. Please let me
No,
say.
no, long story. Just say what that thing is.
I'm going to get there. This is
Okay.
something I was told as a child that in case you are surrounded by spirits or there are spirits around you, have like some kind of light. So this is my belief that if you have like an agarbatti lit, there'll be no ghost around you that's going to trouble you. And he finds it very amusing, but that's just my belief.
Agarbatti.
All right. Is there any book you could read numerous times without ever growing tired of it?
If there was a book,
Archie comics.
yeah, I love Archie's comics.
I mean, don't scold me. I'm just giving you an option.
No,
Why are
in
you
the sense,
scolding me
you
with
said
Archie
it in a
comics?
joke.
Why is
as
it a joke?
but
I think I like reading
for
Archie
real,
comics
I
also.
love
Yeah.
Archie's. Archie's in,
Archie's fantastic.
for
Yeah.
that matter,
Great.
I think even this thing, there used to be another comic book called Champak. I still have some Champak books from my childhood. Sometimes when I come across them, I still don't mind reading them.
You seem like you'd read Champak comics.
I really like
When the
those.
first time I met her, that's what I felt for the first time. That's the impression she makes. This person reads Champak
He's saying
Comics.
you could read it over and over again.
Over and
He's
over
not
again.
seeing a one-time good
Okay,
book
all right,
or something.
all right.
These are books you can keep.
All
reading.
right.
Okay, so basically those are comic books, so books are different, I believe. So, but that's okay. What one thing your parents always told you not to do, but you ended up doing it anyways?
They asked me not to tweet, but I still end up tweeting a lot.
I was going to say one more,
What?
one cheeky one, but I was like,
Go
forget
for
it.
it. Go for it.
They said never kiss strangers, and you ended up doing the book.
And they actually never said that.
I know
but-
why I dig my own grave. Like I want to get out of this image, but I keep digging my own grave and putting
You
myself
like it.
like,
Just say
throwing
you
myself
like it.
into
No,
it.
you like it. You like
It
it.
just came to me. These stupid jokes keep coming to me.
Yeah.
All right. What is something most of the actresses do very casually, but you find it a bit weird?
I mean,
Casually, but do you find it
I
weird?
find it weird. There are lots of things.
But what comes to your mind? first
Right
thing?
now, what's coming to my mind, I want to put it in the most
Subtle way.
Yeah, in the most subtle way as possible. But maybe making a ramp out of any and every place around. Like
Okay, so we'll
a fashion
put a couple of more questions. Which celebrity would you like to say following things to? How do you do what you do?
I think Bachchan sir, I've heard such great things about him. Someday I really want to ask him how he does what he does.
All right, give me some tips to troll the trolls.
So control the trolls.
Troll the trolls.
Troll the trolls.
Troll the trolls, yeah.
Do not give them any attention at all.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I don't believe in ghosts actually. I mean, I
You
do.
do?
I just haven't had an experience. Yeah, actually, I do. I do.
And then you have the Agarbatti.
Yes, that's my safety net.
Is there anyone on Instagram that you want to unfollow but you can't?
So I have to take the name.
No,
There
no,
are
give me
lots.
some.
Look at
Yeah,
me.
you know the good
You
part
look
is
at me
Instagram
and said
has a feature where
Did
you
you
can
look at me and say
unmute.
it?
You don't even follow
The
me. Why
side
will I
gets
say
said,
that?
I follow you. Of course,
No,
I
of
follow
course you
you.
don't.
I do.
You should do a check. Please do a
No,
check.
no. The question is there anyone on Instagram that you want to unfollow?
I want to, but there's a really good feature
Ah.
where you can unmute their notifications. You don't see them on your feed, but you're still following them so they don't feel bad. So that's a really
Mhm.
good option. I stick to that with a lot of people.
That's very interesting. That's very, very interesting. I think Nikita has fared very well as well. I'm sure Imran would agree. The movie looks very good. Congratulations
Thank you.
for the film and all the best wishes. And I'm sure Imran, some big film that you may be preparing for, maybe we'll meet for that sometime soon.
I would rather
So-
say big films, inshallah.
Big films, inshallah, of course, and web shows, hopefully. So thank you very much and all the best wishes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Faridun. Cheers.